So you can add transitions between clips on the timeline in Shotcut. By default, when you place two clips in the timeline, Shotcut creates a cut between them. So if I play back this portion in the timeline, you will see that it simply cuts from shot 1 to shot 2. If I wanted to put a transition between these two clips, I would simply drag the second clip over the end of the first one, and Shotcut creates a transition. The default transition in Shotcut is a dissolve. If you want to change this default transition, simply click on the transition, click the Properties tab. Under the Video menu, instead of dissolve, you can pick from a list. In this case, let's try the barn door vertical. And now if I play this back, you'll see it's added a different transition. In addition to transitions between clips, you can also add fade-ins or fade-outs. So in this case, at the very beginning of this video, my video simply starts, but if I wanted the video to fade in, what I would do is I would select the clip, then I would go over to the Filters tab, I would click the plus button to add a filter, I would click the Video tab, because in this case I'm looking for a video filter, and I would scroll down until I find something that says Fade in Video. So I select that, and you can see it's added the fade in video to my first clip here. And you can see if I zoom in on the timeline, there's actually a little fade icon here at the beginning. And if I play that, the video now fades in. Now, if I want to remove the fade, I simply make sure the clip is selected. I click on the Filters tab. I make sure that the filter I want to remove is selected, and then I simply click the minus button and it removes that. And you can add fade outs in the same way. So if I wanted to, let's zoom out here to the end. If I wanted to add a fade on here, I would select the clip. I would make sure I have the Filters tab selected. I would click the plus icon. In this case, I'm adding a video transition, so I would select video. And then I would scroll down until I found the fade out. And I would click that, and it's added a fade out. You can also change the duration of the fade by using the plus or minuses. So in this case, the default is 1 second. But if I click the minus, I could make that a little shorter, perhaps 20 frames. And then if I play that back, you would see it fades out. Now, if I wanted to remove a transition from the middle, you simply click on that, and you can either select remove, or you could just click the delete key on the keyboard. It would leave a space, and you could either extend or, again, remove the space.